beep, 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 beep. Alto, hurry up, answer the stupid phone. Come on. I'm gonna hang up on you.
Hello, welcome to Alto. If you want comedy entertainment online, press 1 now.
I do not want comedy entertainment.
If you want ice cream, someone stole it. Darn.
I don't really care for ice cream.
If you want chocolate pie, let a cup for it, because they have plenty.
I am not going to fight a cop because I'm not strong enough. Anyway, why would I do that? It's stupid.
If you want to swim in chocolate milk, then leave the building now.
Elvis left the building. Neither. Does anybody have strawberry?
Press 7.
There is no 7. Or 6.
Well, then why'd you ask?
I don't know.
Well, if you call me a scammer, I'm not.
Oh, if you admit that you're not a scammer, that means you're a scammer. Scam! You scam people all the freaking time.
I do that for a living here. That's all we do around here.
You scam people. I hate you.
Bye. Come again.